Cha-Chas. Today we're going to learn the basic cha-cha-cha step.
I'm Herman.
And I'm Juana.
And guys, listen, if you like this video, subscribe down below for more cha-cha-cha, salsa, and anything Latin related dance tutorials. Alright guys, this is the cha-cha step. Let's jump right into it, starting with the woman's timing first. So follow us. This is for the followers, starting with the right foot in the same place, just like in salsa. You're gonna start one in the same place, 2 steps forward, and then you're gonna do the cha-cha-cha. 3, cha-cha-cha. Okay, let's do that again. That's 3 steps in succession. They're kind of fast. 5, 6, 7, right, left, right, cha-cha-cha. And then from there you step back, right, you step left, and then you do it again. Cha-cha-cha. Then you go forward. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Back in place. Cha-cha-cha. Forward, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7. Facing this way. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7. Right, left, right. Cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3. Okay? When you do those cha-cha-cha steps, they're a little bit quicker, so you could think about it like this. Quick, quick, slow. Cha-cha-cha. That's fast, fast, fast. Back in place. Cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Back like that till you add those. Okay? Now, let's do for the leaders. Follow me. Starting with the left foot now for us, for the men. With the left foot, 1, then I step backwards. 2, I step in the same place. 3. Then I go into the cha-cha-cha. 3 steps, cha-cha-cha. Then I step forward with my left. 2, then I step in the same place. 3, again, cha-cha-cha. Back, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Forward in place. Let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7. In place, back, step. Cha-cha-cha. Forward in place. Cha-cha-cha. Back in place. Cha-cha-cha. Forward in place. Cha-cha-cha. Back in place. Cha-cha-cha. Forward in place. Last one. Back in place. Cha-cha-cha. Forward in place. Okay? Let's see it now from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. Forward in place. Cha-cha-cha. Back in place. Cha-cha-cha. Forward in place. Last one. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. 6, 7. Okay, so that's the step for the men, for the leaders. And now let's put that together with a partner. So you start off for the leaders with the left foot, for the followers with the right foot. 1 step. Then she comes forward, I go back. 2, 3 in place. Then we go into the cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3. And you could do this also in the closed position. So just like this. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. 6, 7. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. 6, 7. Now, when you do this, notice we're taking small steps, but you could also take a longer step when you do the cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3. Okay, so you can vary your length of the steps. Personally, I prefer to do it in the short, tighter steps. I think when you're dancing in a nightclub, you also don't have that much space, but I just prefer the way it looks. Okay, so guys, practice that. Let's do that with music now.
All the way to the end of the video.
Awesome job. Practice that, guys. The cha-cha-cha step is a really fun step. That was a fast last song that we did. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you practice over and over and over again. Get good at it. And guys, subscribe here if you like this video. If you want to get more salsa dancing tutorials, this is a channel for you. Subscribe down below. See you guys soon.